Assalamu alaikum. Myself is Safa Amjad Ali. I'm a student of the biochemistry and I today represent my presentation to the most respectful person, Dr. Hamad Majid. My topic is ideal gas law. Contents includes introduction, definition, Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro's law, and Dalton's law, and the behavior of the real gases. Let's move to the introduction. An ideal gas is a theoretical gas composed of many randomly moving point particles whose only interactions are perfectly elastic collisions. The ideal gas concept is useful because it obeys the ideal gas law, a simplified equation of the state, and is amenable to analysis under the statistical mechanism. Ideal gas law. All three gas laws discussed in the previous section can be combined into a single statement called the ideal gas law, which describes how the volume of the gas is affected by changes in pressure, temperature, and the amount. When the values of the three of the variables pressure, volume, temperature, and the amount are known, the value of the fourth can be calculated using the ideal gas law. The proportionality constant R in the equation is called the gas constant and has the same value for all the gases. Its formula is PV is equal to nRT. P is here pressure, its unit is Pascal, volume is a V, its unit is meter cube, N is the number of the moles, R is the gas constant, its value is 8.31 joule per Kelvin per mole. The T is the temperature and its unit is Kelvin. Standard temperature pressure. The specific conditions used in the calculation and the 1 atmospheric pressure are said to be represent standard temperature and the pressure, and it abbreviated as the STP. These standard conditions are generally used when reporting the measurements on the gases. Note that the standard temperature for the gases measurements 10 degrees Celsius or 273.15 K2 is different from that usually assumed for thermodynamic measurements. Next, move to the next slide. The ideal gas law can be rearranged in different ways to take the form of the Boyle's law, Charles' law, or the Avogadro's law. These are the formulas of these three laws. First is the Boyle's law. The Boyle's law is a gas law, stating that the pressure and the volume of the gas have an inverse relationship. If volume increases, then pressure decreases, and vice versa, when temperature is held constant. This law came from a manipulation of the ideal gas law. This is a formula of the Boyle's law. The second is the Charles law. The Charles law is an ideal gas law where at constant pressure the volume of an ideal gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. The simplest statement of the law is V over T is equal to K. This is a formula of the Charles law. The third is Avogadro's law. It states that the volume of a gas is directly proportional to the amount of the constant temperature and the pressure, where V is directly proportional to the temperature. Dalton's law. The law that the total pressure exerted by a mixture of gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressures of the gases of the mixture. Here P total is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on. The last one is the behavior of the real gases. Deviation results from assumption about the ideal gas. Molecules in gaseous state do not exert any force, either attractive force or the repulsive force on one another. Volume of a molecule is negligible small compared with that of the container. Thank you so much. I hope all you guys understand the ideal gas law. Thank you.